Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix keyboard lag or slow response on Windows PC and laptop. First method is change keyboard settings. Second method is change accessibility options. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is update optional update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.